Hey guys, I'm Mike. This is Wendy. We're M&W Garage. We're an automotive-based YouTube channel, but we work on anything really. Uh, Currently, we're working on a 1965 Mustang. It's a long-term project. It was her first car. She had it in high school. Basically, this beginning of this year in January, we started off with what's basically a bare shell of a car, and we've got to get it ready for power tour in
4 months.
4 months. Okay, but we're having a lot of failures right now, but we're trying to work through them. But we've also got other stuff to work on later on. We've got a 74 Volkswagen Thing, an older model Harley, Jeep Wrangler, um,
Four-wheelers.
four-wheelers, yeah, four-wheelers, and her favorite car, which is my 88 LTD. See the excitement. But we'd love to have you guys come check out our channel. So check us out. Thanks.